can never get over how good you are and find those opposites.
A clue!
New and old. That's an opposite.
Right there!
Right and left. That's another one.
It's a clue!
Oh, you see a clue? Where? Oh! It's on this light switch. Bowling now is down. So this down light switch must be our clue. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Okay, a down light switch. A shape pointing down, then a line coming down, and a big rectangle around. There, a down light switch. Now we have all three clues. Hey, we have all three clues. You know what that means. We're ready to sit in our
thinking chair.
Thinking chair. Come on.